Many entrepreneurs have great ideas, but having a great idea doesn't automatically attract investors. One of the biggest misconceptions in business is that investors fund ideas. In reality, investors fund opportunities. So what are investors really looking for? First, they want to know whether your business solves a real problem. If your product or service addresses a clear need in the marketplace, you're already ahead of many startups. Second, investors want to see a clear business model. How does your company make money? Who is your customer? How will you acquire new customers consistently? Third, investors pay close attention to leadership. You don't have to know everything, but they want to see that you're committed, coachable, and capable of executing your vision. Fourth, investors look for growth potential. Can your business expand beyond your local market? Can your system scale? Can revenue increase without dramatically increasing expenses? Another important factor is financial planning. You don't need to have perfect numbers, but you should understand your expenses, revenue projections, and funding needs. Many business owners make the mistake of looking for money before they have a foundation. Investors want confidence. They want to see preparation. They want to see a plan. Remember, investors aren't simply investing in a product. They're investing in the person leading the business. The stronger your system, strategy, and leadership, the more attractive your business becomes. So before you ask for funding, ask yourself, do I have a clear business model? Do I know my market? Can I explain how this business grows? And do I have a plan for success? Because funding follows preparation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more content on business growth, entrepreneurship, funding, and building a successful company.